So, Claudine, ano gagawin niya? Kids Club the whole day? Oh, wow! It's gonna be fun for Evan. Kids Club the whole day.
That's his request.
Oh, galing. Ayun, nagmamadali na si Evan, no? Ito maganda sa Mario at merong Kids Club. But first, they have to remove their shoes. Look at this club, ah. Strictly for kids. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Evan is going to have... Uy, they also have billiards in the kids club. They also have billiards, oh. You're going to play? You're going to play with the kids? Oh, there, look at them, oh, playing billiards. And look at this. Paano yan? Iwanan mo?
Yes.
Oh, iwanan mo. You're going to take care of the kids. Oh, okay. Look at that.
Oh, they don't allow photos.
Okay. But, all right. Good luck. Enjoy. Ikaw, Cole, ayaw mo mag-kids club? Cole, ikaw, ayaw mo mag-kids club? Ayaw mo? Ayan, may iwan na si Evan sa kids club. Oh, si Cole, you want to play tennis naman, Cole? Okay. At least pwedeng iwan ng mga bata sa kids club, oh. Oh, sexy. Ano oras mo babalikan? Ano oras mo babalikan? Ano oras mo babalikan?
After 2 hours.
After 2 hours. Dito sa Phuket, if you go to the timeshare, yan, ang dami mong makukuhang libre. Kaya enjoy your stay in Phuket. So now, we're gonna have lunch. So next time na natin kunin yung swimming pool, kain muna. Kain muna, di ba, Berna? O Cole, sinong pupuntahan mo dyan? Ah, nandiyan sila Lauralie? Ah, okay. So sila Lauralie pala nandito nagsiswimming, no? Ah, ayun si Lauralie Baron. Yes. Oh, dito, Kids Club. Ano, swimming pool. Oh, sino to? Oh, Lauralie. Hello. How are you? Kanina pa kayo dito? Yes. They're enjoying their sunbathing. Oh, dito pambata yung swimming pool. At yung mga pang-adults on the other side, hiwalay. Yun, mas tahimik doon. Tingnan natin kung maikutan natin yung kabilang pool. Yes, maikutan natin. So, sinihiwalay nila yung adult pool at yung mga kiddie pool para nga naman hindi masyado maingay dahil maingay yung mga bata, oh. Nag-slide. Dito, yung adult pool. Meron namang isa ron, isa pang pool sa may dulo, another adult pool. Yes. Mas maganda dito rin, oh. Kasi nakikita mo yung dagat. Yes, ang ganda ng view, oh. Lalo na pagka sunset. Kitang-kita. Yes, it's a very nice pool and you can really enjoy staying here the whole day. And if you go left, ayan yung ginagawang fire dance at night. Yes, maganda talaga itong Phuket Beach Club. So balik tayo kanila Lauralie, just showing you how beautiful this Marriott Phuket Beach Club is. And anywhere you point your camera, it's very nice. Meron lahat, pang matanda, pang bata, at kung gusto mo ring kumain, there's a lot of restaurants. Okay, so tawag na tayo ni Madam Berna Baron. Napaikot tuloy because we had to look for Lauralie, who will be having lunch with us. Uy, nag-slide yung bata. This is the complimentary, right? Yeah. But nothing inside now. Later, huh? Okay, later. Okay. Yes, they have complimentary ice cream. Pero naubusan siguro. We are almost every year nandito kami No, Berna? Almost every year, no? Oh, now every other year na. Dati, every year. Oh, pero maganda talaga siya. Oh, kahit dito sa angle na to. So, yun, no? Yung mga villas niya, paikot sa buong resort. Ganda. Very relaxing. Aba, may dive center pala rito. Bago tong dive center. Okay, so this is totally new. Oh, Sea Beast Diving, huh? Alright. It's being run by Sea Beast Diving. So that's the view of the ocean. If you don't like to swim. Sarap ng hangin. Ganda ng mga puno. Minsan hindi na kailangan ng umbrellas. Okay. So, we're on the way to the restaurant. Berna, ito yung mga villas niya sa swimming by the villas niya na may sariling swimming pool. Oh, yes. Ano sila? Very private. Tsaka pinakamalapit siya sa dagat with private pool. I'm sure. Siyempre, dahil malapit sa beach, mas mahal yung mga yan. So, dito may boardwalk. If you want to go around the resort, left is the ocean, and on the right are the villas. At dito sa dulong-dulo, we used to have our villa here, dulong-dulo, with your own private pool na walang mga batang pwedeng maligo. Yes, ito na yung pinaka quiet area. Look at that, huh? How nice. Pag dyan ka nag-swimming, talagang tahimik. Bawal ang mga bata at may sariling pool. Okay, so if you are wanting to have a massage, just go outside the beach. Eto na, beach massage by the locals, and it's much cheaper. Look at the price, huh? Yes, 500 baht for 1 hour, and you have a massage by the beach. So you will come back. Hello, how are you? So nice to be in the beach, huh? Very nice. The wind is very cool, and that's where you have the massage. Okay, bye bye. We'll come back, huh? We'll have to eat first. Maganda. Si Marriott Phuket. Kasi they have beachfront and they have fantastic villas. And this is to show you how noisy the waves are. Yes, maganda siya dahil maingay ang kanyang waves. Mahirap lang mag-swimming kasi yung mga waves masyado mataas. But it's gonna be nice to look at. Okay, goodbye for now. Here at the Marriott Phuket Beach Club.